इतके दिवस
अरे गावाला गेलो तुम्ही वाशेला.
परवाची मॅच बघितली का इंडियाची?
बघितले अर्धे बघितले.
शेंगदाणा फुटाणावाला शेंगदाणा फुटाणावाला ओम शिवा.
Pull of a cart, a vendor's call, swish of a car, a bus honks. Various sounds are the integral part of our lives. Sounds that we identify with specific things. They help to communicate with the world around us. But not all are blessed with the sense of hearing as we are. Their world is silent. A silence that engulfs their lives totally. Is there a way to breach this silence? Aadhar Mukh Badhir Vidyalaya is an institution dedicated to make the lives of hearing impaired children fruitful by enhancing their hearing and speech skills. Situated in the slum areas of Indiranagar at Bibwewadi in Pune, the school is well equipped for teaching lip reading, speech therapy, and has facility of audiometry.
हे प्रभु राया शरणमी पाया हात जोडूनी नमन तुला आवाज आणि शांतता यांच्यामधला फरक कर्णबधिरांना समजवणे हेच आमच्या पुढचं पहिलं उद्दिष्ट असतं. कारण आवाज आणि शांतता यांच्यामधला फरक कळणे हीच त्यांच्या वाचेची पहिली पायरी असते.
Thoughtfully designed classrooms enable easy interaction between teacher and students. With the group aid system, the children hear the voice of the teacher and attempt to reproduce the words they hear. The teacher has to have immense patience and give tremendous encouragement to these children as they learn to overcome the odds. Every word learned is an achievement of great magnitude. The problem of every child and their ability to grasp varies, so innovative methods are needed to teach them. All the teachers and the non-teaching staff of Aadhar meet regularly to discuss the children's problems and give their own inputs.
नॉर्मल मुलांचा अभ्यासक्रम आणि आमच्या मुलांचा अभ्यासक्रम सारखाच आहे. त्यांना जी पाठ्यपुस्तकं वापरली जातात तीच आमच्या विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी वापरली जातात. परंतु त्याच्यामध्ये फरक असा आहे की आमच्या विद्यार्थ्यांना शिकवताना धड्याचा आम्ही सारांश घेतो आणि शिक्षक त्या स्वरूपात त्याच्या अनुषंगाने चित्र त्या प्रत्यक्ष वस्तू अशा सहाय्याने मुलांना ते समजून सांगतात.
क का 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 चा
आधार मुखबधीर विद्यालयाची मुलं आमच्याकडे म्हणजे भारती विद्यापीठमध्ये कॉलेज ऑफ ऑडिओलॉजी आणि स्पीच लँग्वेज पॅथॉलॉजी जे आमचं आहे तिथे स्पीच थेरपीसाठी येत आहेत. कर्णबधीर मुलांसाठी खूप काही करण्यासारखं आहे. म्हणजे अजून खूप काही करण्याचं राहिलेलंच आहे असं मला वाटतं. एक तर पहिले त्यांना कर्णबाधिर्य आहे हे फार लवकर वयाच्या कळलं पाहिजे, म्हणजे अर्ली डिटेक्शन केलं पाहिजे. दुसरं, ज्यांना कर्णबाधिर्य आहे त्यांना लवकर श्रवणयंत्र देऊन त्यांना त्यांची वाचेतला जो दोष आहे तो घालवण्यासाठी लवकर त्यांना स्पीच थेरपी सुरू करायला पाहिजे. आणि ज्यांचं कर्णबाधिर्य खूप आहे त्यांच्यासाठी कॉक्लिअर इम्प्लांट म्हणजे आंतरकर्णाला बायपास करून आपला आवाज हा आतपर्यंत पोचवण्यासाठी एक ऑपरेशन जे केलं जातं ते आत्ता सध्या त्याची किंमत खूप आहे, त्याच्यामुळे फार कमी लोकांना ते साध्य आहे. परंतु जास्तीत जास्त मुलांना कॉक्लिअर इम्प्लांट बसवून त्यांना नॉर्मल स्ट्रीममध्ये आणण्यासाठी आपल्याला खूप काही अजून करता येईल.
The school is a dream come true of late Mrs. Anuradha Umrani, who wanted to help these hearing impaired children. The school that took shape in shacks, one rooms and outhouses now has classes up to 7th standard with a building of its own.
To provide the good infrastructure, well-equipped infrastructure, all the facilities, in terms of building, school building, then the group hearing aids and all other things they require. So for this fundraising was very essential.
I have seen this school from the stage of conceptualization to a reality. My mother, who is the founder member of this school, I have seen her working effortlessly, dedicatedly for this work, and she has spent her entire life for this mission of upliftment and empowerment of these deaf students.
It's a government-recognized institution where fees are not compulsory. So it is a boon to people with lower incomes.
Aadhar Mandal is a charitable trust, and it was established in the year 1985 just to work in the field of physically handicapped society. So as I said, horizontally we have sufficient expansion, but vertically we are still to grow. Through the trust, it will be happy, the trustees will be happy if they can promote this work of education of hearing impaired students.
थोडंसं माझ्या ओळखीचा फायदा घेऊन काही कल्चरल ॲक्टिव्हिटीज फंडिंगसाठी काही पैसे गोळा करणं वगैरे अशा पद्धतीचं काम मी बघते.
Late Mrs. Anuradha Umrani's husband, Professor Srirang Umrani, is still active in the affairs of the school. The trustees all work like a family for its welfare. The children are not only given good education, but are encouraged to pursue fun-related activities in arts and crafts. This type of activity is an outlet to the creative expression of the students. They are also encouraged to play different sports. Aadhar is a pioneer to start an annual district-level sports day for hearing-impaired students. Many students of the school have won medals at state and national-level tournaments. Aadhar is different in many respects. It is one of the few institutions providing hostel facilities for their students. Good facilities are provided at the hostel so that the children live in comfort and are happy living there. Balanced diet, monitored by a dietitian, and yoga takes care of their good health and help the children to do well in school.
मी त्यांच्या आईच आहे, मी बाई नाही, मी आईच आहे.
The backbone of any institution is the donors. There are many donors who are connected with Aadhar who give their help and support to the institution.
हे स्वप्न पूर्ण करण्यामध्ये मला जो खारीचा वाटा जे काम करण्याचं मिळतंय त्याला मी माझं भाग्य समजतो.
The relation with the donors has evolved with time, and an emotional cord is weaved between them. Is just learning to hear and speak enough? No, not for these children. They need to stand on their own feet and look after themselves without being a burden to others. Aadhar has expanded its goal to make the students self-reliant. Towards this, Aadhar plans to construct a workshop building for imparting vocational training to the students. As the present building of the school and hostel is not enough to expand the facilities, it is proposed that a larger land be acquired. The same premises would be host to the school with better facilities in terms of advanced audiometry rooms, hostel with better kitchen and dining facilities, playground, recreation hall, and a well-equipped workshop which would make the students worthy of being recruited in the mainstream industry.
ही मुलं आत्ता जी शिकतात तिथे त्यांचं नुसतं बेसिक शिक्षण होऊन उपयोग नाही, तर रिहॅबिलिटेशन त्यांना पुढच्या आयुष्यातसुद्धा त्याचा उपयोग व्हावा. नुसते आमच्या शाळेत 7वीपर्यंत शिकून गेली असं व्हायला नको. तर तो मुख्य उद्देश ध्येय आमचा आहे. तर त्या दृष्टीने आम्ही आता प्रयत्न करतो आहे. त्यांना काही कमर्शियल किंवा टेक्निकल ट्रेनिंग वगैरे अशा दृष्टीने आम्हाला पुढचे सगळे डेव्हलपमेंट करायचे आहे. तर त्याचं पहिली पायरी म्हणून आता एक 4-5 मुलं आम्ही एका लुब्रिकेअर नावाच्या संस्थेत कामाला लावलेली आहेत. ही मुलं अत्यंत एकाग्रतेने काम करतात. तर त्यांना जर व्यवस्थित ट्रेनिंग आणि गायडन्स मिळाला तर ते काही करू शकतील अशी आमची खात्री आहे.
This is not possible without a great deal of help. Help from all of us. We are all part of a human chain that connects hearts. Compassion brings unknown people together. Giving is an act of joy. Every little bit makes a difference. Open your heart. A gesture of goodwill will change their lives. Donate generously and your reward will be a smile on their face.